Which altcoin should you buy, GALA versus XRP? I have got GALA on the weekly chart over here, and let's start with putting some support and resistance levels starting with 0.05. Why? Because price has been testing this level a lot recently. Next important level can be somewhere around here, 0.08 roughly. You can see consolidation happened above this level and we saw this huge bull run. As you can see, not much graph is available. September 21 is when GALA was launched. So yeah, we will move on to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we can see in the short term, this level also very important, 0.06. First, this was support, broken this support, resistance, resistance, and resistance, again resistance. So since that time, this is resistance 0.067, that is. And look at this now, so many days price is consolidating around this level. Also we can see price likes to go below the 30 region, and that is when we really see some good bounce. Even over here you can look at this and look at this, all consolidation and bounce. But currently we are sitting at 42 RSI, which is telling us that some scope is available that price might try to break this very important level. After this level, we don't know where the price will stop. But if price decides to bounce from here, we know that first resistance can be 0.067, and also you can see the 50 moving average in green is available here also. So this can be the first target for selling. Now moving over to the 4-hour chart. Once again we see the similar pattern. RSI below 30 is when it really matters and price starts to go up. Look at this, look at this. Even over here, look at this. So we have to wait for a time when RSI goes below 30. As we have seen in the past, if I draw a short term level over here using the 4 hour, 0.045 is possible that we go down here and the RSI will drop then. And if we reach 30 or below, then it might be a good time to enter some trade into GALA, keeping our take profit as 0.05 and then 0.053 over here. Now let's take a look at GALA on the weekly chart. So I can see that this area is interesting, 0.2 roughly. Next is this area where actually we have the point of control also currently at 0.3. Then we have the 0.4 level and then 0.5 over here. So on the weekly chart, we can see actually this area is of very high importance. Capitulation happens here and then huge bull run. Currently we are stuck in this range, RSI at 33. If we find good support at this 0.3 level, then of course we can bounce towards 0.4. Even 0.5 might be possible if there is a very good pump, because a lot of moving averages are here and this can act as a resistance. If not, then of course we are heading towards 0.2 level, but the weekly RSI is 33, which is around the level where price likes to go and then tries to pump from. Now moving over to the daily chart. So we can see price is stuck in this range since long time. Even on the daily chart we can see RSI likes to go below 30 before it shows some pump. Even over here you can look at this, consolidation happen and then big pump. So current daily RSI is sitting at 39.42, telling us there is scope of further decline. If there is a dump in the market and we go and see 0.2 level, then yeah, RSI will go below 30 and that might be a good time to get XRP. If price decides to bounce from here, then the first target is roughly 0.38, which is the 50 moving average in green over here, the 4-hour chart. Again we can see price is not doing much, stuck in a very small range. Looks like interest is declining in XRP, but again we are seeing the similar story. Whenever RSI goes below 30 on the 4-hour chart, we see some sort of a pump, although the size of the pumps have decreased a lot recently. This whole area over here also we can see some pump was happening given that RSI went below 30. If price decides to pump from here, we can see first target 0.335, the next one 0.345 roughly, which are, and if there's a even bigger pump, then yeah, next target can be 0.36, where our 200 moving average is currently on the 4-hour chart. So this was GALA versus XRP. Let me know in the comment section below which altcoin are you planning to buy in this bear market and you will sell it in the next bull run. Also, as you can see, markets are extremely volatile. If you're actively trading into the markets, please don't forget proper risk management, take profit, stop loss. Good luck trading. Thank you.